Good morning. Welcome to our beautiful store here at Kwik Trip in Cass. My name is John McHugh, and I'm the Director of Corporate Communications for Kwik Trip. We're here this morning because we have a very profound announcement to make. At Kwik Trip, the health of our community is very important to us. The health of individuals is very important to us. So we're proud to announce a partnership this morning with Gundersen Lutheran and their 500 Club to talk about some healthy eating options for all of us who frequent our stores. With that in mind, I'd like to turn it over to Paul Service. Paul is our zone leader for all of our food programs at Kwik Trip at the retail level. So Paul Service.
Thanks, John. Good morning, everybody, and thank you for coming. We appreciate everybody being here this morning for this. Kwik Trip's excited. We're excited to be part of the Gundersen Lutheran family and be part of the 500 Club here in La Crosse County. There's a number of reasons we're excited about it, and I'll get into them each here in a little bit, but the neat thing about this program is we have healthy options at Kwik Trip. Typically a C-store has items that are high in fat, high in calories, and we still have a couple of those, but we also have a lot of healthy options, and this program lets us tell the community that we have those. So that's what we want to do with this program, is put the shout out to the community that you can come into Kwik Trip, you can still get your candy bar, but you can also get some fruit, you can get some bananas, you can get some sandwiches, all that's healthy. And the advantage of it here at Kwik Trip is it's not only healthy, it's a quality item, and it has a great price. For instance, our bananas are 39 cents a pound, our fruit's 3 for $1.19, so we have a lot of values. In working with Gundersen Lutheran the last couple of months and getting this program started, we also came to realize that not only do we have a healthy sandwich here or that type of thing, but we can also make some great meal options. Jennifer Wood from Gundersen Lutheran pointed out that you can take a sandwich, and I have to grab a sandwich, but first of all, you can take a sandwich like this, and you can take something for dessert like this, which would be apple dipping sticks with caramel, and you can take a Nature's Touch milk, and you can do this for about 500 calories and under $5. So we have that great meal option here at Kwik Trip, and we want to point that out to people. So how we're going to do that is real simple. First of all our healthy options have this green label on it. You're going to see that in all the items that qualify for this program in Kwik Trip. And in addition to that, anytime we can put together a healthy entire meal option for a customer, we're going to put signs up. And we have one of them back here. I'm just going to step back. We're going to put a sign together like this that says, grab a low-fat milk, grab some apple dipping sticks, and grab a sandwich, and you're going to have a healthy meal option. So that's what we want to accomplish with this. There's two groups of people we want to help educate here. We want to help educate our customers that we have healthy options, but also our coworkers. We have a number of coworkers in the La Crosse market that work in our production facilities, our support center, and our stores that we can say, hey, we have these great healthy options for you. You can make the decision which way you go, but here's where they are. So that's the other thing we want to accomplish. Now I'm going to share a quick story with you. Jennifer taught me this. I'm a typical consumer. I'll come in, grab a couple pizza slices and a liter of Mountain Dew, and I'm out the door. Probably not the best way to go. Today I grab a pizza slice, grab a salad, and a low-fat milk, and I'm eating better, I'm eating healthier, a few less calories, at a value here at Kwik Trip. So it can be done for all of us. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Jennifer Wood. Jennifer is a registered dietitian and one of the directors of the 500 Club here with Gundersen Lutheran. There you go.
Good morning. I'm Jennifer Wood, and I'm Gundersen Lutheran's 500 Club Specialist, and I'm very excited to be here today to introduce and celebrate this wonderful collaboration between Gundersen Lutheran's 500 Club and Kwik Trip. When I first started my position about 2 years ago, my director, Jennifer Larson, had encouraged me that she wanted to have Kwik Trip as a member of 500 Club. And at that time, I didn't know if that meant one store or the whole company, but I realized she knows I think big, and she was planning on the whole company. So I made my first contact over a year ago with John McHugh and started some initial conversations. And as I got out in the community working as a 500 Club Specialist, I realized there are other people like Matthew Construction, one of our supportive members, who also wanted Kwik Trip to be a 500 Club member because they wanted to utilize the 500 Club brochure to educate their truck drivers who have Kwik Trip gas cards on how to eat healthier when they're at the Kwik Trip. Of course, I shared that with Kwik Trip as well. So this year then, the Crosse County Health Department got a wonderful grant through the Centers for Disease Control, the CDC, and thanks to Linda Lee, the 500 Club was also written in that grant as a measurable goal of trying to increase the 500 Club membership by 50% in the La Crosse County. I think that's just what we needed to make everything happen. And when I met then with Paul Service from Kwik Trip, some of the things that he asked me was, well, do we have anything that meets the 500 Club criteria? And I assured him that yes, indeed you do. And especially since you have lots of fruits and vegetables available now, you can certainly make things work together to meet 500 Club criteria. Then he asked me, well, do you have enough manpower in order to accomplish a goal like this? And I said, well, you know what? I do. I have an assistant, Katia, now, and I also have Tiffany Adrians from the County Health Department to help with the project. So Tiffany and I, we set out to make everything happen. And as you can see, we're here today to celebrate that we did make it happen. Paul was able to help us roll out the program at the Sand Lake Road store just in time for the CDC representatives to come and visit that store and see what we're doing. And they're very excited to see that a convenience store can also promote healthy eating. So with all those thanks to Tiffany and Linda and Katia and Paul, we're just very excited to be here today. With that being said, I'd like to turn it over to Jeff Thompson, our CEO at Gundersen Lutheran.
Thanks. Well, good morning. I think this is a great example. I think it's a great example of organizations in a community saying we're responsible for the well-being of the citizens of our community broadly. Kwik Trip has said, of course we have a business to run, of course we have a business model that has to succeed, but we can help our members of the community eat more thoughtfully. I don't come in and buy a candy bar at Kwik Trip. I like the big chocolate chip cookies, is what I really like. And there's nothing wrong with that food as a part of an overall approach to your diet. It just can't be the dominant piece. And what Kwik Trip's doing is saying we're going to help you with it. Portion control is one of the most important things that we can do to help people manage their food intake. So with the 500 Club sticker, there is a great deal of variety. You don't have to give up the pizza. You don't have to give up that sandwich that's already made and ready to go for you. You can do that. You just have to put a thoughtful combination together to stay within a reasonable number of calories. So I think this is a business behaving very thoughtfully for the well-being of the community and saying, here's what we can do for the citizens. Here's how we can help the people of the community stay as healthy as possible. Gundersen's involved in this for exactly the same reasons. We believe it's our responsibility not just to get people well once they're ill, but to help them stay well, help them be healthy. And we're very proud to have Kwik Trip as a partner, and we believe if the businesses of the community work together on projects like this, we can improve the health and well-being of the community. So thanks to Kwik Trip, there's a great deal of foresight. I have the opportunity to speak around the country not infrequently. And one of the things I really like to do is to point out the things that our organization does and that our community does beyond just our usual assignments. The county's stepping beyond their usual assignment. Kwik Trip is stepping outside of what most convenience stores do in the country. They're distinguishing themselves for the well-being of our community. So I think they should be congratulated. We're very proud to have them as our partner, and I expect all of you to buy some 500 Club stuff before you leave. So we'll take questions if you have any. Any questions?
Let's take questions at this time, and for members of the press, if you want to interview individual people, will be available afterwards as well. So, thank you.